Have you ever sat on a toilet for so long until your legs literally became numb? Because honestly, same here. You use the bathroom multiple times a day, every single day, but somehow it never occurred to me that the toilet itself could actually be making the whole experience way more uncomfortable than it needs to be. Hi everyone, I am Valentine, an engineer who quit her job to do tech reviews here on YouTube, and today we are gonna dive deep into the smart toilets science. So guys, today I am gonna review the Uncle Brown ST12 model smart toilet and its capabilities. And honestly, this specific model changed the way I look at smart toilets completely. So let's get started with a detailed review. So the first thing I noticed right away is the seat height. It sits at 17 inches, which is ADA compliant, and what that actually means in real life is that sitting down and standing back up takes noticeably less effort. If you have knee or back pain like I do, or if you're just very tall, just like I am, or if you are pregnant or recovering from surgery, or maybe exhausted after a long day, that difference is definitely makes so much sense. It's more significant than it sounds. The lid opens and closes automatically based on proximity sensing, and I genuinely thought this will be one of those gimmicky features I would stop noticing at some point. Well, I did not. What I also did not expect is that the sensing distance is adjustable through the setting from the remote, which matters a lot if you have a small bathroom and don't want the lid popping open every time someone walks past just to wash his hands. The remote means no bending or reaching at all. Now the bidet. This is where the experience really lives. And I want to actually show you what this does rather than just describe it. You can adjust water temperature, pressure, and nozzle position independently. There is a dedicated front wash setting for female, which women genuinely appreciate for daily hygiene. And once warm water cleansing becomes part of your routine, toilet paper only feels like a step backward. The warm air dryer is actually functional and not just decorative. Families report cutting toilet paper use by 75 to 90% over time. That's a big money saver and good for our environment. The heated seat is one of those things that sounds optional, and also the heating seat, I love it. I hate sitting on a cold one since I got the smart toilet in my house. So the heated seat is one of those things that sounds optional until a cold morning reminds you, hey, it's not. On the hygiene side, the ST12 uses the UVC-Clean water technology, which sterilizes the bidet water before it reaches you. There is also PlasmaClean sterilization technology inside the bowl and a self-cleaning nozzle. It has an SIAA certified seat and nozzle, and it even has an automatic deodorization that activates during use without you touching anything. Everything is automated. I have a 3-year-old and she is at the age where everything in this house gets touched constantly. So passive hygiene that runs on its own and there is nothing I need to do for it is something I genuinely value. It's just one less thing for me to worry about. There is also a foam shield, which is the most favorite feature like ever. It is creating a foam barrier over the water surface, and that barrier is reducing the splashback and isolating odors. The foam solution is purchased separately, so very worth knowing up front. The flushing system scores 1000 grams MAP with a 1.28 gallons per flush rate and a pre-wet anti-stick ball coating, so it stays cleaner between cleans and handles heavy use without multiple flushes. The built-in nightlight means no blending yourself at 3 a.m. when you really need to pee. Now, I started this video because something about daily comfort or bathroom routine caught my attention, and that is exactly what this toilet is built around. The Uncle Brown ST12 is linked below, guys. I would highly recommend you this one because I had a great experience. Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below at the comments. Let me know, how do you use your toilet? I mean, as much as you feel like sharing, I understand it can be like, private information, but hey, share whatever you can, share whatever you feel comfortable with, you know what I'm saying? Well, I shared whatever I was comfortable with, and I truly hope, guys, that it was helpful. So guys, I will leave you all of the links for the Uncle Brown toilets down below at the description box to this video of mine, to this specific model I have reviewed in this video today, as well as, guys, Uncle Brown making so many different smart toilet models that if you don't like this specific one for some reason, like what can be a reason, like why would you? Anyway, if for any reason in the world, if you can find one, you do not like this specific model, well, you have tons of other options to choose from. Uncle Brown. So guys, all the links down below at the description, all the coupon codes, discount codes, any promotions, any possible way to save some money off yours. So guys, don't tell me you didn't know. And that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you on my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.